Hi everyone and welcome to another video from my floor, because I have too much stuff on my desk right now. Anyway, I pre-ordered, well, not pre-ordered, but ordered some like online exclusive stuff from Hot Topic, as well as ordered some stuff that was on sale that I've been wanting for a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox them. My cat wants to say hello. Hello, pretty kitty. Say hello to the camera. Jess, this is my cat. Tigby. Well, one of them. My girl cat. Alright, get out of here. Get out of here, girl. Alright, anyway, let's go ahead and start this unboxing because I'm so excited. So I ordered these a while ago. I am so excited because it's some shoes that I've been wanting that are an online exclusive, and then another pair of shoes that I like platforms a lot, which I will eventually do a collection on my platforms. I know I've been saying I'm gonna do them for the longest time, but for real, I'm gonna do it at some point. But I got platforms and I got a cardigan so I can do a specific cosplay, but also just because it's a really cool cardigan. So let's go ahead and unbox y'all. Ooh, okay, they gave me all these coupons and stuff. Alright, the shoes and the cardigan. So the cardigan is the Danny cardigan from, well, not the exact Danny cardigan, but the one, you know, for Danny from Hocus Pocus. I love Hocus Pocus. Let's go ahead and open it up. It was on sale for like $35 or something like that. I got the small. I probably could have gone with the extra small, but it's fine. I love that it has like a hood too. Actually, no, the small is perfect. Oh my gosh, like the sleeves are perfect too. And then it has like a little pointed hood. I am obsessed. Holy smokes. Yes. My cat will not stop. I guess it's the day where she just wants to be on camera, but okay, I'm looking so cute. All right, let's see what we got next. It is hot in here though with this on. I don't know which are which. Okay, there we go. So these are the exclusive ones, the online exclusives. I wanted them so bad because they are subtle, but they are Halloween, y'all. And if y'all don't know, I'm obsessed with Halloween. I gotta make more videos about my Halloween obsession, of course, because I got a problem. A good one. It's not a bad one. But let's go ahead and open these up. And they come in like a nice little bag on top of the bag. This bag seals, which I actually might keep these for traveling with shoes. Oh my gosh, and they're so lightweight. Oh, that is amazing. I love how lightweight they are because I own very heavy platforms. I'm not complaining at all, but there's a big, yeah. All right, kitty, get out of the way, kitty. All right, so these are the exclusive, online exclusive platform shoes. It's gonna be a little loud because there's a lot of paper. I've been staring at these in ads, y'all, for like quite some time. They've just been like, buy me, buy me, buy me. Hey, Rocio, buy me. And I'm like, I don't got the money right now. And then one day I was like, rip the band-aid. Anyway, I'm so impatient. They are soft. Holy smokes, they're actually really comfy in the inside. Because I've seen Hot Topic shoes, and Hot Topic shoes don't always look like they're the most comfortable. I am going to throw that out there. These actually seem pretty comfy. I'm very excited. I love Mary Jane platforms, and that's exactly what they are. They are lightweight, and they have these little like jack-o'-lanterns on them. They are so cute. Oh my god, I love how lightweight they are. Like, so stinking cute. But normally if you see me on the regular like all dolled up and stuff. I am wearing platforms of some sort. Oh my god, these are very comfortable. Are these gonna be my new O-Reliables? That's literally what I call all the shoes that I'm in love with. I call them my O-Reliables, and right now it's like one pair from Dollskill that are Lamodas, and they're size 6, but they like kind of came a little bit bigger in a way. I was able to wear those all over New York, but I need some new O-Reliables. But I love platforms. It's just not all platforms are comfy for long periods of time. Okay, y'all. Let's get up. Whoa. Yes! Oh my gosh, they're so lightweight. Yes! Woo! Pumpkins! Oh yes, yes. Wah, wah. Love it. Oh my gosh, I love them. I love them. They're so cute. Ah, they're exactly what I've been wanting. I'm so glad I bought them. I'm so glad, because I would have regretted not buying them. I've already kind of not bought a lot of Halloween stuff that I've really been wanting because I'm just not in good standing right now with credit cards, because I had to focus on my business and all that. So anyway, yes, buy them. They were $60 though, but they were so worth it. Okay, next shoe. Dun-dun. This one was on sale. This one was for like $35 or something like that. But they were normally like 50 something, so I could not pass them off because they were also platforms like that. Not exactly Mary Jane style with like the little clip. You'll see. It's gonna get noisy. Also in a bag. This bag's actually sealed. Oh, it's tied and everything. Okay, these are a little heavier. Those literally weigh nothing, but these are a little heavier. I got these because they're more like witchy type, and I've been wanting some boots like this. Well, platforms that are like more witchy. I can't do the witchy boots. I've been wanting them, but my foot is too wide for a witchy pointy boot. The pointy part hurts my feet, so I'm hoping these do me well. The bottom's like a vinyl. Can you stop, pretty kitty? The bottom's like a vinyl instead of a foam like the other ones. But they are absolutely adorable. They remind me of my kid self when I would wear like shoes with the buckle, when I had to wear uniform to elementary school. This is like really early elementary, but look at that platform. And I like when there's a platform like this where like the heel is super big, but at this, actually the platform is super big, but the heel isn't like super big in comparison. There's only like maybe a 1 inch difference that I'm gonna be going like this. Like, yeah, I hope that makes sense, but they are so cute. Oh my gosh, let's try them on. So these were originally $55 and I got them for like $35. So, and it's because they had my size left. Sometimes I get lucky, sometimes I don't. I've noticed that my size, for the most part, is always in stock. When it's not, it's because like the entire shoe is out of stock. Okay, these are comfortable too, and they're not as narrow as I thought. They got like space in there too. I feel like these I'm gonna have to break in just a little bit, but they are absolutely adorable. Like, yes, look at that. Look at that. I think I love platforms so much because I was a Bratz doll kid, and Bratz are the thing. It's like I want to be a Bratz doll. I literally do. Okay, these are awesome. These are awesome. And I'm glad that I went with a 6. I'm a size 6, right? Like, I could have gone down, but they would have been too tight. These are, like, perfect for me. Yes. So, I think my haul was very worth it. I think it was worth it. So I got 2 shoes and I got my super cute cardigan, which I'm so happy with. But yeah, look at it. This was my purchase. Like I said, online exclusive. I'm pretty sure you could find these in the store, but shoes in the store are very rare, so probably online, but they were out of stock in a lot of sizes. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to actually show y'all my entire platform shoe collection, and it might just be my entire shoe collection because I have a huge shoe collection. I also need to show y'all all my Halloween clothes at some point too. There's a lot I gotta do. A lot. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, y'all, and I will see y'all next time. Bye, everyone!